Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to insert a link on Google Docs. This tutorial should be pretty useful if you are doing an academic text such as a research paper or a thesis paper. This can be applied on the references page. Now, this tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do it if you watch carefully. Please do not worry if you're not familiar with the interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now, please ensure that the Google Chrome you are using is currently up to date, so that we will not encounter any errors along the process. Now, we can get started. On your Google Chrome, head over to your search bar, either right over here or right over here, and type in Google Docs. As you can see, after we hit enter, it will give us tons of results to choose from. There are hundreds of results that showed us. However, in this case, we would like to focus on the first link to open the Google Docs. Click it once and it will redirect you to this page right over here. Now, from this page, you want to hit the Go to Docs button. Click on this one, which will open a new tab for this interface. Now, if this is your first time using Google Docs or Google Chrome, it may require you to sign in using your Google account. If it does, please do so. Now, after you signed in, it will open this interface right over here. Now, to start this tutorial, I will create a new document by hitting the plus document right here, which will give us a blank document. However, depending on the purpose, you can also add a resume format, a letter format, project proposal format, and many more depending on the purpose or your usage. However, I would like to create a blank document for this one. Click it once, and as you can see, it gives us a blank canvas. Right in the upper left corner, you can edit the file name. However, for this tutorial, I would like to keep it like this. Now, how do we insert a link? Let's say, for example, I want to insert the link youtube.com. I will type in youtube.com just like so. And as you can see, nothing really happens if I click this because we have not inserted the link yet. Even if I press enter, nothing happens. If I click this link right here, it does not redirect us to YouTube. How do we fix this? Now, what you want to do is to highlight the link in which you want to insert a link to. Right click, and as you can see, right over here, we have the insert link option, or you can also use the shortcut Ctrl K on your keyboard. Click this insert link button, and as you can see, as simple as that, we have now inserted a link on our Google Docs document, which turned blue and is in underline, meaning that if we click this, there's a link right over here, in which if we click, will redirect us to YouTube itself. As simple as that, we have now inserted a link on our Google Docs file. You can do this with any valid link on your Google Docs file. If you learned something in this video, please do not forget to subscribe and like the video. I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.